Hello students, in today's session we will be discussing about digital image processing. Signal processing is a discipline in electrical engineering and in mathematics that deals with analysis and processing of analog and digital signals and deals with storing, filtering and other operations on signals. These signals include transmission signals, sound or voice signals, image signals and other signals, etc. Out of all these signals, the field that deals with the type of signal for which the input is an image and the output is also an image is done in image processing. As its name suggests, it deals with the processing on images. It can be further divided into analog image processing and digital image processing. Analog image processing is done on analog signals. It includes processing on two-dimensional analog signals. In this type of processing, the images are manipulated by electrical means by varying the electrical signal. The common example include is the television image. Digital image processing has dominated over analog image processing with the passage of time due to its wider range of applications. The digital image processing deals with the developing a digital system that performs operations on a digital image. An image is nothing more than a two-dimensional signal. It is defined by the mathematical function f of x comma y, where x and y are the two coordinates horizontally and vertically. A digital image is a representation of a two-dimensional image as a finite set of digital values called picture elements or pixels or gray levels or color. The value of x comma y at any point gives the pixel value at that point of the image. Any image if you take, it is composed of pixels, but actually this image is nothing but a two-dimensional array of numbers ranging between 0 and 255. Since capturing an image from a camera is a physical process, the sunlight is used as a source of energy. A sensor array is used for the acquisition of the image. So, when the sunlight falls upon the object, then the amount of light reflected by that object is sensed by the sensor and a continuous voltage signal is generated by the amount of sensed data. Actually, image sensors are made to capture that light reflected from the object and not the image directly. If there is no illuminant components, then the image will be dark. In order to create a digital image, we need to convert this data into a digital form. This involves sampling and quantization. The result of sampling and quantization results in two-dimensional array or a matrix of numbers which are nothing but a digital image. Distillation implies that the digital image is an approximation of a real scene. Remember, when you zoom the image, finally it will be small square boxes, that each square box represents a particular pixel value ranging between 0 and 255. So, color is defined between these ranges. Mathematically, an image is composed of two elements. One is illuminating element represented by I of x comma y, which is a source of light energy falling on the object, and the other is reflecting element, which is a reflected light from the object represented by r of x comma y. So, an image f of x comma y can be represented as the dot product of I of x comma y and r of x comma y. Digital image processing focuses on two major tasks: improvement of pictorial information for human interpretation and processing of image data for storage, transmission and representation for autonomous machine perception. Now, let us see the history of digital image processing. In early 1920s, one of the first application of digital imaging was in the newspaper industry. Then the Bertline cable picture transmission service, and then images were transferred by submarine cable between London and New York. Finally, pictures were coded for cable transfer and reconstructed at the receiving end on the telegraph printer. Mid to late 1920s, improvement to the Bertline system resulted in higher quality images, new reproduction processes based on photographic techniques, then increased number of tones in reproduced images. Later in 1960s, improvement in computing technology and the onset of the space race led to a surge of work in digital image processing. In 1964, computers used to improve the quality of images of the moon taken by the Ranger 7 probe. Such techniques were used in other space missions, including the Apollo landings. In 1970s, digital image processing begins to be used in medical applications. In 1979, Sir Godfrey N. Hounsfield and Professor Alan M. Cormack shared the Nobel Prize in Medicine for the invention of tomography, the technology behind computerized axial tomography scans. In 1980s, the use of digital image processing techniques has exploded, and they are now used for all kinds of tasks in all kinds of areas. Image enhancements, restorations, artistic effects, medical visualization, industrial inspection, law enforcement, human computer interface are the examples of digital image processing. Launched in 1990, the Hubble telescope can take images of very distant objects. However, an incorrect mirror made many of Hubble's images useless. Image processing techniques were used to fix this. Now we see some examples. Artistic effects are used to make images more visually appealing, to add special effects, and to make composite images. Take slice from MRI scan of canine hat and find boundaries between types of tissue. Image with gray level representing tissue density. Use a suitable filter to highlight edges. In geographic information system, digital image processing techniques are used extensively to manipulate satellite imagery and terrain classifications. Human operators are expensive, slow, and unreliable. Make machines do the job. Instead, industrial vision systems are used in all kinds of industries. In printer circuit board inspection, machine inspection is used to determine that all components are present and that all soldering joints are acceptable. Both conventional imaging and X-ray imaging. Image processing techniques are used extensively by law enforcers. Number plate recognition for speed cameras, automated toll systems, and fingerprint recognition. Try making human computer interface more natural. Face recognition, gesture recognition. Fundamental steps in image processing. Image processing is to acquire a digital image. In image pre-processing, improving the image in the way that increases the chances for success of other images. We have two things. One, image enhancement. It is among the simplest and most appealing areas of digital image processing. Basically, the idea behind enhancement technique is to bring out the details that is obscured or simply to highlight certain feature of interest in an image, such as changing brightness and contrast, etc. Second, image restoration. It is an area that also deals with improving the appearance of the image. However, unlike enhancement, which is subjective, image restoration is objective in the sense that a restoration technique tend to be based on mathematical or probabilistic models of image degradation. It is to improve the appearance of the image and tend to be mathematical or problematic models of image degradation. Third, wavelet and multi-resolution processing. Wavelets are the foundation for representing images in various degrees of resolution. Image subdivision successfully into smaller regions for data compression and for pyramidal representation. Number 4, color image processing. Color image processing is an area that has been gained its importance because of significant increase in the use of digital images over the internet. This may include color modeling and processing in a digital domain, etc. This is all about the use of color of the image to extract features of interest in an image. The image segmentation is to partition an input image into its consequent parts of objects. Under that, compression deals with the technique for reducing the storage required to save an image or the bandwidth to transmit it, JPEG standard. Particularly in the uses of internet, it is very much necessary to compress data. In image representation, it is to convert the input data to a form suitable for computer processing. It includes boundary representation focusing on external shape characteristics such as corners and inflections, and regional representation focusing on internal properties such as texture or skeleton shape. In image description, it is to extract feature that results in some quantitative informations of interest or features that are basic for differentiating one class of objects from another. In image recognition, to assign a label to an object based on the information provided by its descriptors. In image interpretation, it is to assign meaning to an ensemble of a recognized object. A knowledge base is about a problem domain is coded into a image processing system in the form of knowledge database. We have looked at what is a digital image, what is digital image processing, history of digital image processing, state of the art examples of digital image processing, key states in digital image processing, and fundamental steps in digital image processing. Hope you have got a good insight on digital image processing. Until we meet again, bye.